Tired of endless scrolling and missing out on your dream home? Let's unlock the power of Redfin and turn your search into a strategic home-finding mission. First, head to redfin.com and enter your desired location in the search bar. Now, the real magic begins. Click on the filters button here. You can specify everything from price range and number of bedrooms to property type and square footage. Be precise. The more specific you are, the more relevant your results will be. Don't forget to explore the More Filters section. This is where you can really narrow things down by including features like a fenced yard, central AC, or even the year the home was built. Once you've perfected your search, save it. Click the Save Search button. This allows you to receive instant email alerts whenever a new listing matches your criteria. Customize the frequency of these alerts to stay on top of the market. Redfin also provides in-depth neighborhood analysis. Use the interactive map to explore school ratings, commute times, and nearby amenities. This information is crucial for finding the right fit for your lifestyle. Toggle between different map views to visualize school boundaries, public transportation options, and nearby points of interest, giving you a comprehensive understanding of the area. By utilizing Redfin's filters, alerts, and neighborhood analysis tools, you'll drastically reduce your search time and increase your chances of discovering hidden gems. Happy house hunting! Subscribe for more Redfin tips and tricks to make your real estate journey a success.